when we talk about innovation, our automatic tendency is to assume that we mean technological, when actually there is another type of innovation that's very important in terms of overcoming the environmental challenges, and that is social innovation. We're going to need to change the way we behave, how we take decisions in society.
Innovation is not just creating an idea. A zero-emission house or a town with zero emissions somewhere in Europe does not help a iota. It's really making these solutions broadly available that the consumer can really get them on all societal levels. It's not just for the rich, it's for the society as a whole to make an impact.
We need to have innovation in industry, we need to have innovation in consumer reactions and citizen reactions. We need to have innovation in the way policymakers interpret their role.
Well, I think innovation is a very big part of the answer, but it's not the whole answer. I think it would be a mistake to believe it's the whole answer. And I think it's also clear that innovation in and of itself cannot happen unless certain conditions are put in place. And that, of course, is where policy comes in.
Innovation must be brought to the top and guided by the top level of the EU Commission, namely by the President, because it's really a question of leadership to trigger change. Otherwise, society will just stick into the uncertainty of change and not see the benefits of change.
Innovation can lead us part of the way there, but innovation requires a market. The market has to develop for the products, the innovators will then follow the demand.
The only question is if the framework in Europe for innovation is appropriate to help to get innovative products into the market.
Innovation is part of the answer. Offering new products, offering new services is another part of the answer. And I think what we policymakers are trying to do is to equip industry with a framework, a regulatory framework, an economic incentives framework that helps them, assists them to do this.
Innovation often is taken to mean a bit of kit, but innovation means a lot more than technology. It can also be new approaches.
Europe needs innovation policies, not just research policies.